what should a patient expect after they come in for their Fraxel Restore in regards to how does it feel, what is the downtime?
Well, we've been doing Fraxel Restore in my practice for about 10 years. We were one of the first ones in Orange County to get it and in the country. So we've developed our own before and after treatment plans that make it a much better experience with better results and less side effects. So what we tell patients is not necessarily what everyone tells patients, what other doctors do. But we have our patients come in at least 2 weeks before for a very in-depth consultation with my nurse and go over things to use and to not use on their skin so that they're prepared. We also go over what to expect afterwards and what they can do to maintain their skin. Part of what they can expect during their treatment is we have them put on a very strong numbing product on their skin, and we wait for about an hour for that to work. And we have a special kind of numbing in our office that's stronger than what most people can get. But we like to observe them during that time and have them in our office. So we apply it ourselves, and then during the treatment they'll feel some stinging. Most people tolerate it very well. Afterwards is interesting. After a Fraxel Restore, what you can expect is some swelling for a few days. I personally have had it done many times, and that's what's keeping my skin looking good, I think.
It does look great.
Thanks. Well, I've been doing it for about 10 years.
Wow.
I do it once a year for maintenance, never fail.
Okay.
But after the treatment, I swell for 2 days. And the first day I don't go out because I look very puffy. But after that, I'm presentable. Makeup can be worn the next day. And so you can go out, but you're not going to look your best for those couple days. After that, you have a very mild, flaky, almost like a dryness to the skin. Not as much peeling as a peel would be, but it's still like a dry, flaky feel. And then by a week, you're back to normal.